Today is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Someone asked a question: if you have 10 million, what kind of car would you buy? I stand in front of the car, look up at this. Kevin, your Rolls-Royce Cullinan. In an instant, there was confusion in the depths of the soul. I thought I would answer the elegant Phaeton, or play a pig and eat a Tiger's RS6. But at this moment, I admit, I'm overwhelmed by this simple and rude feeling. Shake this one like a moving castle. The big guy standing there, is it really just an SUV? Are you sure this isn't some Cybertron? The mechanical life of the planet has awakened. This Parthenon and Cullinan. The air intake mountain is the original factory, that's right. But when you look directly at him, I found out I can't see from the densely packed Scorpion. Remove teeth. The Germans dismantled the original exquisite money bumper, replaced with a huge air intake similar to a fighter jet. Nothing fancy in there is just carbon fiber. But when you really reach out and touch, discover the original glowing festive muse statue. The muscle lines of the back cover have been redrawn by carbon fiber. Where is this car change? This is clearly a tattoo on the most expensive canvas. Every inch is swearing sovereignty. I even want to talk about the vertical strip of the air intake, Geshan. I'm not breathing. I'm swallowing heaven and earth. Makes me feel more caught off guard. It's the two huge ones on the hood. Heat dissipation opening. You know what? The original Cullinan pays attention to smoothness. Too much like a yacht. And Kevin, you are like, I'm afraid this beast won't dissipate enough heat. Directly opened two eyes to him. Looking through the rearview mirror, the rear fender of this car exploded. Why do it? The reason is simply outrageous. To fit into that 24-inch giant forged wheel. The name of this wheel doesn't matter. But I looked closely at his talisman. Found out he wasn't. He is concave, like a black hole that absorbs light. I measured his width with my finger. 295 tires. Like a thin layer of rubber skin on top. It wasn't the road he drove. It's the timidity of aesthetics. Open the door. The smell of leather hit me. I don't want to endorse it under any brand name. But I have to tell you a meme. Facts discovered. The leather in this car is not pasted at all. Even the back of that seat. It's all carefully shaped from a whole sheet of leather. I sat in the back row for a long time, staring at the so-called starry sky top in a daze. The original Startop has 344 individual fibers, but it's better to kiss you. He put the big letter K of the family logo, directly embroidered in this galaxy, with a random streaking meteor effect. You know what is one detail that pokes me? It's the wool foot pad that's under your feet. When your whole body is stuck in that kind of carbon fiber, and the ultimate luxury in premium leather packages, what came from the soles of the feet was the kind of stepping on the clouds. The soft touch of stepping on a cashmere carpet. This contrasting tactile experience. More exciting than any 100-kilometer acceleration. This is not a car. This is the texture of the entire royal palace, tucked into a moving space. Which brings us to the central question. Since sitting inside like an emperor, can this emperor be on a personal expedition? I stepped on the accelerator for you. 6,715-liter Twin-Turbo V12 engine in. Your reprogramming of the ECU, after replacement with the high-flow exhaust of the 200 unit, exploded 740 horsepower terror data. What is this concept? Taste the engineer not only in his champagne glass, added poison, also purified the concentration of poison to the extreme. What followed was not the roar of the engine. That's a boulder rolling off a cliff. It's the roar in the giant's chest. It wasn't the air he tore. It's your contempt and prejudice against others. The most ironic, it also makes me the most mean person who understands cars feel magical. Is his suspension? At the moment of passing the speed bump, I've done a good job of being hardened. Ready to fly? As a result, the body only sank slightly. The moment the body sinks, I get it, this is Kevin again, your deliberate contrast. Although he has the ability to take the track, ripped horror power, but his chassis, but still choose to use a very fascinated, the dense texture irons the road. The whole process of suspension from compression to rebound are isolated below 50 decibels of silence. Beyond space, like there's a giant down there. Dragging this palace flying, all the bumps and disturbances are isolated. Sitting inside, you can't hear the quarrel on the road. I can only hear the silence of Huang Quan. So he is a vulgar toys for the nouveau riche. Still one, mechanical artwork that subverts the definition of king. I remember my disdain when I first saw him. And when I hit the accelerator, the corner of the mouth that can't be controlled, KEVIN with carbon fiber and torque, on Cullinan, creates a huge cognitive contradiction. This contradiction is addictive. This is not industrial waste at all. This is the ultimate kingship. Between the roar of the engine and the soothing of the leather, you finally understand this. The heart of the emperor wrapped in beasts.